This is William. Now, notice you went to our page on the 4-day challenge, and if you have signed up for the 4-day challenge, I'm pretty sure this will be a massive breakthrough for you. There's so much stuff that's lined up for you over the 4 days. Now, if you haven't signed up for the challenge or you're not sure what the challenge is all about, now let me just take a moment to run through with you what to expect for this 4-day challenge and what kind of difference it will make for yourself. Okay. Now, the first thing that we will be doing in this challenge is I will be walking through different types of questions with you guys, right? So there are 3 types of questions that we'll be dealing with. The first type will be the level 1 kind of questions, which is what we call the foundation questions. So generally, these are, as the name suggests, more for foundation building, things you'll mostly see in tutorial questions, and not really the focus, all right? So what we are more interested in is to bring you guys to this level 2 type of questions, which is what I would say are typical exam questions, especially those you'll find in prelims. And this will bring you through about, I would say, a B or C grade kind of a question. But ultimately, what we want you to reach is this level, which is a level 3 question. All right, so level 3 question will be the A grade question. So if you're eyeing for A grade or minimum B grade, then this is the kind of level that we want to bring you through. And what will happen every day is I'm going to walk you through bite-sized training. I'm going to explain to you what's the best way to approach the question. I will be sharing with you my thinking process, how I do this, how I do that, and I'll be giving you a replica question so that you could directly apply what is being taught to you. All right, so the whole session is going to be very guided, really step by step. You know exactly what to do. So by the end of the 4 days, you'll have a very good idea how to approach this chapter on solubility product. Now, something special that I'm also going to do for you guys is I'm going to have this bonus webinar. Okay, let me just shift my face around, which is a blueprint on how you ace your A-level examinations. So it'd be something that's really useful if you're not very sure what should I be doing now to A-level. Should I be doing topical? Should I be doing my weakest topic? Or should I be doing my A-level paper? I have a blueprint step by step, right? This month you do this, that month you do that, so on and so forth. Okay, so just a little bit of navigation into the membership site, right? So this is what we expect. This is day 1. So the training videos and all this, it will be made available at the stroke of midnight every single day, right? So on day 1, there will be like a small video, right? Pre-training enjoyment. I'll be dressed up in different characters and things like that. Right, so there's this day 1 training. So all the lesson materials, videos will be ready at the stroke of midnight every single day. And if you have questions, we also have this like a forum where you can actually post questions and all the teachers will be there to answer all your queries. Right, so day 1 will be quite simple. Now, day 2 is where really things hot up. It gets really quite difficult. So day 2, you expect to spend about 60 to 70 minutes. And you'll see there's an exponential jump from day 1 to day 2. And day 2, you'll see, whoa, there's lots of videos as compared to day 1. All right, so day 2, day 3, in my opinion, are the toughest days. So all this will be a very, very good build-up all the way to day 3, day 4. Don't want to review too much. It will spoil the fun. And then to the live webinar. All right, so for those in the challenge, I really look forward to seeing you guys. I believe we're going to have a really good time and you will rock your solubility product. You will take this as a platform, a launch pad, all right, for you to really kickstart the rest of your A-level revision. Right, this is not just about KSP. It's really more than just KSP. My aim idea is to help you build the momentum so that you could bring this momentum through the rest of your A-level journey. All right, so let's make a commitment. We want to get started right now in this challenge. Okay, so I'll see you guys very soon for the challenge.